Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to be making Fatayir Kishk. It's very famous in Lebanon. It's especially for the breakfast. Let's get started. If you don't know how to make the dough, go back and watch the dough video and then come back to this. For the kishk we need roasted sesame seed, paprika, cayenne pepper, tomato paste, marjoram, chili flakes and onion, and of course it's optional, the pomegranate. Start with the dry ingredient and then we'll add the other. I have here half a teaspoon tomato paste, I have red chili, paprika, 1/4 spoon, 2 spoons onion, and here the margarine, 1 teaspoon, and the chili I'm gonna put a pinch of chili flakes. I'm gonna put the pomegranate. I like the pomegranate when I'm making the fatayir on the sage. When I bake it in the oven, I don't put pomegranate because it will get cooked fast. I like the crunch. And now I'm gonna add the olive oil. Kishk take more oil than the za'atar because it's cracked wheat with yogurt and it's dry. So now the kishk is done. This is the thickness that you want. See? Okay, let's start making the pies. Now we are going to roll the bread, make them small like pies, just like that. If you don't have the grill, you can bake it on the oven. The always bread, it needs high heat, so 450. I just want to test it to see if it's hot. Just I'm gonna sprinkle some flour here. If it turned brown, that means it's hot. It's not hot, so it needs a little bit more. I will make another bread as much as I can. I will start with the dough until this is ready. My mom, she used to make designs for the fatayir. She used to do it like this. Just pinch the edges. Like that. So this is our manaqish, this is za'atar, this is kishk. Kishk, I don't know the name in English. So thank you for watching me and I will see you next week. Bye.